Faceless YouTube channels like AI Apocalypse, 10x Income, or Little Fox Stories for Kids make upwards of $50,000 per month with their faceless videos. You may think that it's going to take hours of recording, editing, and script writing to create these types of videos, but let me prove you wrong. With the power of AI, artificial intelligence, you can create stunning videos in a matter of 5 minutes. And I can guarantee you that this is going to be the fastest way you have ever seen to start and make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. This is going to be a no BS step-by-step tutorial with no hidden secrets or expensive tools. And in fact, the tool that I'm going to use inside this video is 100% free. And by the time you're done watching this video, you're gonna have everything you need to start making 4, 5, or even 6 figures per month with your faceless YouTube channel. So let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into my computer. Now, before I jump into step number 1, I wanna show you guys some evidence, right? So prove that this is possible, because I know that some of you guys might be skeptical and you might think that it's gonna be impossible to make 5 figures per month using YouTube and AI. So let's take a look at AI Apocalypse. So this YouTube channel has 20 videos with 90,000 subscribers, and their videos are AI with voiceover, right? So they're not showing their face or recording with voice. And if you take a look, they started this YouTube channel only 6 months ago and it's already blown up. And if you go to a website like Social Blade, which gives you estimated revenue of this YouTube channel, you can see that they're making about $1,600 per month. Now, this is based on an RPM of $4, which is way too low for this niche because this channel is in the make money online niche, and the RPM revenue per 1,000 views is anywhere between $15 to $20 based on my results and based on results of other YouTubers in this niche, right? So I can guys tell you for a fact that this channel alone is making about $5,000 to $10,000 per month with only ad revenue. Now, the beauty about this strategy is that not only you're going to be making money from YouTube ad revenue, but also from affiliate commissions. Now, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically promoting other people's products. So you're going to go online on Google, find an affiliate product, and you're going to promote that product with your videos. All right. And whenever somebody makes a purchase, you're going to make a small commission. All right. So not only are you going to be making money from ads, right, but you're also going to be making money from affiliate sales. So this is the beauty about this strategy. You're going to build 2 income streams by simply posting faceless AI YouTube videos. So make sure to stick with me, smash the like button below, and subscribe if you're new, because I'm gonna absolutely blow your mind with this one. So for step number 1, the very first thing that you wanna do is pick a niche for your YouTube channel. So a niche is like a category in which you're gonna be posting videos. And a quick tip that I wanna give you guys before you pick your niche is pick a niche where you can promote affiliate products. Affiliate products that are gonna pay $100, $200, or even $500 per sale. Because by adding affiliate products into this strategy, you're gonna make so much more money over the long term. So here are just a couple of niche ideas. So you can have make money online, health and weight loss, luxury, traveling, softwares, product reviews, gaming, and categories like this are very, very profitable. And if you guys don't know what niche you're gonna choose, you can go over to ChatGPT and search for what are the best affiliate marketing niches. All right, you can click on enter and it's going to give you guys a list of niches that you can tap into. For example, you have health and wellness, personal finance, beauty and fashion, technology, home and garden, and so much more. So now that we have a niche, now it's time for step number 2, and that is creating the actual videos. And as I mentioned, we're going to be able to do this in a matter of minutes using a special tool. And the tool that I'm talking about is no other than InVideo AI. So first of all, you want to create a new account. Okay, I'm just going to log in for you guys to show you how this works. Now, before I actually create the video, I just want to mention that you can get started 100% for free. But if you want to take this business serious, stay consistent and dedicated, then I would recommend the paid plan. Right? It's going to allow you to export the videos without a watermark. And they also offer 24/7 support. So if you have any issues or you're stuck or something is not working for you, you can reach out and they will help you. Now up here you can see, give me a topic and detailed instructions. So here you want to give InVideo AI detailed instructions of what your video is going to be about. So once again, guys, you need to give this tool some specific instructions, right? Details about your video. The more details you put in, the better quality the video is going to be. So as you can see on screen, I'm going to give this tool an instruction, create a YouTube video for best business ideas for 2023. Because as you guys all know, new people every day are looking for business ideas, ways to make more money or start their own online business. So this would be a great video, to show people the best business ideas for 2023. So for you guys and for this video tutorial, I'm going to be in the make money online-age, just like AI Apocalypse. I'm going to click on generate video. And as you can see, now the tool is doing its thing. It's going to analyze your details and your instructions, and it's going to create the video for you. So as you can see, the AI is already done analyzing. It's given us the title, Top Business Idea to Conquer 2023, and it's preparing the script, background music, the images, and the voiceover. So now it's going to ask us a couple of questions, the look and feel of the video, and what platform you're going to post this video to. So my target audience for this video is entrepreneurs, right? People looking to start an online business. The look and feel will be professional, and the platform is YouTube, right? So you can now select your target audience if you want the video to be professional, crisp, or inspiring, and also the platform. I'm going to click on continue. And as you can see, guys, now it's creating the actual video itself. So now InVideo is going to create the script for us, generate the voiceover, add some background music and background images or even background videos. And once it's done generating the video, we can also edit specific text. We can change images, and we can also add commands to edit the video. And this tool is really going to save us so much time and create the entire video for us. This is absolutely mind-blowing. So this is the video that AI generated, and let's take a look.
The future holds for your entrepreneurial dreams. Have you ever imagined yourself as the next big thing in the world of business? Well, the future is now. Let's explore some of the most promising business ideas for the year 2023. And who knows,
wow, this is amazing, guys. The voiceover is so professional.
First on the list is sustainability consulting. As the world becomes more aware and concerned about the environment, businesses are not left behind. They are constantly seeking ways to reduce...
Well, this is better than I actually expected. So if someone was to watch this video, they would have no idea that this was generated by AI. This is absolutely insane. Very, very professional. Now, guys, what I want to show you is you can actually edit and give commands to this tool. So you can actually add things inside this video. So first of all, let me show you guys the edit tool. You can click on edit. And you can change these background images and background videos to, different ones. Now here with the edit script option, you can add text, you can remove text, and you can change things around. Right? If you want to add more details into a specific chapter, like for example, personal fitness training, you can add more information inside here. All right. Now you can click on apply changes. Now what I love about this tool is that you can give commands. So for example, you can delete the second scene, make the scene half as long, change current stock to video drone shot of a forest, for example. But I'm going to add a call to action to subscribe at the end. All right, I'm going to click on generate. So add a call to action to let people know to subscribe to our video at the end. And let's see how this turns out. As you can see, it's adding scene number 8. All right, let's check this out. It's added scene number 8.
Hit that subscribe.
So here is scene number 8.
Before we wrap up this enlightening journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By
That's
subscribing,
awesome.
You'll be part of our community and won't miss out on future videos just like this. Don't forget to turn on notifications too, so you're always...
So as you can see, easy as that. You want to give any command to this tool, and it's going to add it inside the video for you. Now we can do one more. Add a joke at the start of the video. Let's see what this AI tool comes up with. So scene number 1 is added, and let's check this out.
Welcome everyone. Before we dive into the future of entrepreneurship, let's lighten the mood a bit. Here's a little joke for you. Why don't some businesses go into tennis? Because the network is too much. Pause for laughter. All right, now that we've got the laughter going.
All right, as you can see, you have the joke at the beginning of the video. So now that we have a video, I'm very satisfied with it. This is the video I'm going to upload to YouTube. Now I can click on export, export video. And as I mentioned, InVideo has a paid plan, and if you're going to stay dedicated and consistent and you want to pursue this for the long term, all right, then I would recommend the paid plan, and it's going to allow you to export the videos without a watermark. So I'm going to click on continue. So now InVideo is going to render the video, and it's going to allow me to download it so I can upload it to YouTube. So now the video is ready for you to upload it to YouTube. and we didn't have to write any script. We didn't have to record any video. We have a finished video, professional looking, with tons of value that we can add to our YouTube channel. So you want to click on download and download the video to your desktop. So this leads me to step number 3, and that is to find an affiliate product that suits your niche. And what you can do is search for best business affiliate programs, and this is going to give you a list of some affiliate programs that you can start promoting right away. All right, so for example, let's go to Shopify's blog and let's check this out. So you can promote the Shopify program, you can promote Amazon Associates products, you have eBay, Lead Pages, ConvertKit, you have Fiverr, ClickFunnels, and all these different types of affiliate programs that are gonna pay you a commission. Or what you can do, guys, is head over to clickbank.com. This is an affiliate marketplace with tons of products that you can directly start promoting. Let me guys show you how this works. So once you have an account, you can head over to the affiliate marketplace, and here you can select your niche. So we are in the e-business and marketing niche. I'm gonna click on this, and as you can see, you have live chat jobs, get paid to use Facebook, you have e-coverly, the fast tracks, top converting, high ticket on ClickBank. As you can see, a product like this will pay you $214 per sale. So if you want to promote a product like this, you can check it out, you can click on it, you can see what this product is all about, okay? And as you can see, this is some type of online course. And if you want to promote this course, you can click on promote, and here is your account nickname, all right? And now you can click on create hop link, and this is your link. So all you have to do is upload your video to YouTube and add this link in your description. When somebody comes to this link and makes the purchase, you're gonna make a commission. So now the final and most important step of this video is to upload your AI content to YouTube. So I'm gonna add the video here. All right, so this is in video AI. Okay, I'm gonna let this upload. And now you need to do a couple of things. Add a title, description, create your thumbnail, and add tags so people can find your video once you post it to YouTube. So for the title, you can add the title that in video generated, so top business ideas to conquer 2023. So for the description, you can use ChatGPT. I'm going to add the title here. I'm going to paste the title inside ChatGPT and write YouTube description for this title. And now this is gonna add a detailed description for me, so I can copy it just like this. All right, and we can start customizing. So welcome to our channel, looking to start a successful business in 2023. All right, and so on. Here are the timestamps. We can add the timestamps. So if it's chapter number 1, we can add it inside here. All right, chapter number 1, and we can add, let's see, this is the opening. So chapter number 2 is introduction. Chapter number 3 is sustainability. Right, number 4 is virtual reality arcades. Number 5, personal finance and training. And you get the idea, guys. So for each chapter, you want to add the minutes. So introduction is at 0.17. So chapter number 1, introduction is 0.17. All right. So there you go, just like this. And now you do the second chapter. So this one starts at 0.39. 0.039, and so on and so forth. You get the idea, guys. All right, so you want to edit your description, make sure it's good, and most importantly, make sure to add a call to action. So my top recommendation to start making money. All right, and now you're going to add your affiliate link that you copied from ClickBank, or whether you found some type of affiliate product on Google, you want to add the affiliate link inside here. So whenever somebody watches this video, decides to start making money with your recommendation, they're going to purchase the product, you're going to make a commission. So this is the beauty about this strategy. It's absolutely mind-blowing, and it took us literally a couple of minutes to create this awesome, stunning video that's gonna start making money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to smash the like button below and subscribe if you are new. And also make sure to sign up to InVideo with the link below in the description. You can start with the free plan. If you wanna do this full-time, you wanna really stay dedicated and consistent, I'd recommend to post 2 to 3 videos every single week and go with the paid plan. So YouTube success doesn't happen overnight. You really need to stay consistent. So that's why I recommend to post 2 to 3 videos every single week. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.